Hello and welcome to our video on how to create a mood board for kitchen ideas. If you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen, a mood board is the perfect place to start to focus your ideas and to create a vision for the project. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create one, and why don't we just get started? Here we go. All right, so step number one, find pictures that inspire you. Gather these pictures from magazines, but these days it is more common for people to find them on the web on places like Pinterest or House, where these pictures are free. So it's a lot easier, and also you can import them into a mood board. So save anything that speaks to you and resonates with you. Pay attention to the color schemes and the materials being used. Another thing I almost forgot, these images don't necessarily have to be kitchens. They can be any space. Could be an interior that you like and just resonates with you, a space that you feel happy in, a space that you like. Okay, step number two, start thinking of a color scheme. Once you collect all these pictures, start identifying some of the elements that are going to be in common. For example, if you find yourself collecting pictures of all of them are white kitchens, there might be something in there that says, hey, I like white kitchens. I feel happy in white kitchens. So that might be your color scheme. If you're finding yourself choosing bold colors or accent colors, totally fine. It is okay to have them at this stage. We want you to dream, and we want you to dream big. Let your imagination flow at this stage. There are a few tools that can be used to create a mood board. Some people use Canva and some people use Pinterest to create the mood board. I actually find that Microsoft PowerPoint is my easiest go-to to create the mood boards. So I collect pictures, I put them together the way you see them on the board here. And also, it gives me the opportunity to see the pictures side by side, and I can duplicate the slides and add more pictures, so I can add more details. Like, for example, I can show more pictures of countertops that I like, or cabinets that I like, colors that I like. So it's just, or backsplash. So I find it a little easier for me to work with. Here's what I'm talking about. Like, you can see the details where I have added a picture, a close-up of an apron sink or a farmhouse sink that I like. Maybe I like the countertop and I want to show more that my thinking is that I want to have a natural stone countertop, or the backsplash color or the backsplash style. Maybe my appliances, I want to start showing my designer or myself, like, okay, this is what I want for appliances. I really, really want that, cooktop, or I want that refrigerator, so I can start showing a lot more details. And so it's easier for me with PowerPoint. The next step will be to start refining your board. So at this stage, you're going to start eliminating some of the colors and some of the ideas that don't work for you anymore. So you have lived with your vision boards for a little while, and then you start the process of elimination and really start refining where you're going with it, with a kitchen. The next step is to collaborate with your interior designer, kitchen designer, architect, a friend, or a family member who has, who can help you visualize. Sometimes a second opinion is good to catch mistakes. However, don't forget that this is your kitchen. and it's yours to plan. Everyone else will get a chance at some point to do their own kitchen, but in the end, we want you to love your kitchen and we want you to pick what you want for your own kitchen. In conclusion, creating a mood board can be exciting and inspiring. Use your mood board as a guide to help you create a beautiful kitchen that meets and exceeds your expectations. Happy decorating! I cannot wait to see you next week when I will take you step by step on how to measure for that kitchen. Bye for now. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye. Bye.